Hey, this is George Anderson. Wanted to give you the smack today on secure credit cards. Uh, Unfortunately, with the FICO scoring system, you cannot be debt-free and have a good credit score. So for people who've been through a bankruptcy, or for people who live underneath the radar, or somebody who's just getting started in developing credit, you have to have open active trade lines to generate a credit score, and you have to have open active trade lines with all three bureaus to generate three scores. So there's some easy ways to do that, and then there's some painful ways to do that. Unfortunately, a lot of the credit card companies that were giving credit cards to college students and stuff like that, they've stopped that practice for better or for worse. But the thing that's happening now with the banks, the ones that would offer secure credit cards, and it is still a viable option, but I've seen two different banks in Utah that have been doubling down. In other words, if somebody wants to get a $1,000 line of credit, they're going to require them to deposit $2,000. And then you have activation fees, and you have over the limit fees, you have application fees, you have a lot of fees associated with that. So it's very expensive to be able to get some new credit established, but it is necessary. There are some cheaper companies out there that will do some things for a little bit less money, but then they only report to two bureaus. And so you want to make sure that whatever you're doing, number one, reports to all three bureaus. There's actually a federally chartered credit union out of Michigan that I know that is right on the cusp of launching a debit card. And now this is a cool product. This is a debit card that the client can activate it through payroll deposit, Western Union, Green Dot, any of those mediums. And once they have money on the card, they can set up online bill pay. And any bill that they pay online can be a gym membership, can be a utility bill, can be insurance payment. Anything that's a regularly occurring payment on a monthly basis, if it's done through online bill pay, that trade line will actually become an open active trade line that reports to all three bureaus. And get this, no credit check, no security deposit, $29 activation fee, and $10 a month. So that's a really excellent alternative for so many people who do need to build credit to try to recover or get themselves established into the credit markets. If you want some more information about that, visit lendingsmack.com or give me a call. I'd be happy to share it with you. Thanks.